Hey guys, Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas and
I'm Louie of OMG Louie, also of Gadget Pilipinas.
and we're here at Tokyo Game Show 2025. So Louie, kamusta naman ang iyong TGS coverage so far?
Overwhelming, I will always say that, but fun. We tried a lot of games already and saw a lot of booths. We've seen everything basically.
That's right. Ako naman, ganun din. And very, very evident, ang daming mobile games dito.
Yeah, there's a couple.
Kind of crosses path. May mong PC siya, at the same time, can also be played on mobile devices.
Yeah.
Now, speaking of mobile device, ang smartphone na we're using is the Honor Magic V5. Pero may question ako sa'yo.
Oh.
Which among the mobile games you've seen ang gusto mong laruin on your Android smartphone?
Well, I'm actually currently playing already an otome game. It's called Love and Deep Space. They have a booth here. So I'm playing that, but it's playable on Android. And then one mobile game I'm looking forward to is Monster Hunter Outlanders, which is showcasing here. They're already showcasing a demo. It's the first time I think they're doing that. Tapos magkakaroon na sila ng closed beta. The sign-ups are open na, so I'm looking forward to that as a Monster Hunter fan. What else? Ikaw?
I think those two games are very
different from each other.
Different. I was really happy with the announcement of Outlanders. Kasi nga, diba, it really kind of brings all the fans of the series malaro yung game on mobile devices.
I feel like kasi parang Monster Hunter has been trying to break into the mobile market with Monster Hunter Now, Monster Hunter Puzzles. So they've been trying to do that now, and I think yung experience of the game on console and PC, they're trying to bring it into mobile with Outlander. So hopefully, it's going to do that.
Agree.
Yeah, I hope so.
And apart from that, ako naman, I tried Ananta yesterday.
I haven't tried it.
I was able to get through the demo area. Galing niya, kind of gives you a mix of Spider-Man 2, GTA, anime. They ditched the gacha system in favor of you being able to acquire all the characters by just simply playing the game.
Wow.
So, ang galing nun. I'm not against gacha.
I'm a gacha girl also.
You're not wrong there. But yeah, another one is Neverness to Everness. Kind of the same thing. Sabi nga nila, as you mentioned earlier, it's like a GTA.
Anime GTA.
I'm not sure if they will still be having the same gacha mechanics. So it's gacha TA.
And speaking of gacha, I think Duet Night Abyss is also here. I haven't played it yet, but it's interesting because there's a lot of games here in Tokyo Game Show that's very similar in terms of aesthetics. Duet Night Abyss. Wuthering Waves was actually here last year before they launched globally. So it's interesting to see that there are a lot of developers with the same aesthetics, same gameplay, gacha or action RPG that's here in Tokyo Game Show, and it crosses over between PC and into Android now, so it's playable almost everywhere. Most of them actually have cross-platform save pa.
Yeah, I
So,
agree.
pwedeng kahit anong platform gusto mo, pwede mo laruin.
We're looking forward to playing these mobile games on our Android device, specifically in my case, the Honor Magic V5. Special thanks to Honor Philippines for our sponsor here at Tokyo Game Show, along with PLDT Home, and also, syempre, Digital Walker. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Louie, thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, so this has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Catch you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.